They are gorgeous, golden, and puffed to perfection. Popovers are made with just 5 basic ingredients, but a little kitchen science turns the simple combination into a stunning treat. Recipe creator Dina Driggs will teach us how to make a perfect popover. How are you?
I'm so doing well.
Dina is always just a breath of fresh air, and you look so springy and cute in your bright colors and popovers. I've never made one.
Okay, these are so fun. I love them, and we've got them all different kind of sizes. We've got them all different kinds of flavors, so we're on it today.
What is a popover?
Okay, some people think that this is like a German pancake, and it kind of is.
Okay.
German pancakes use 6 eggs to the 3 that I use with a popover recipe.
Okay.
It still is 1 cup milk, 1 cup flour.
Got it.
It's very important that your milk and your flour ratio is exactly the same.
Okay.
And then in a German pancake, you have a lot more butter. We have just a spot of butter in these.
Okay.
But they still go in the oven and they pop up and they just have this yummy
works
crust.
Whatever.
And inside. Okay, this is really fun.
They're beautiful.
Okay, I'm gonna have you take one of these. I think they're still
right here?
warm.
Oh, yes, they are.
Okay, now pull it apart.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. What's in there?
I know, it's just hollow.
Hollow.
You wanna show the camera?
Where? Oh, I'm learning, sorry. I'm relearning how to do this. Yeah, very cool. So the texture is fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the fun thing is we've got all these delicious things that you can put inside.
Oh my gosh,
so
like
this
what?
is jam butter. So you know me, I just kind of went crazy a little bit.
Yep, that's you.
So
we love you for that.
I've got cherry jam in this one. We've got raspberry. We've got blackberry, marionberry, and did I already say raspberry? This must be strawberry. This is raspberry. And then just regular butter.
Now time out, you just mix butter with jam?
That's it. It's a 1/2 cup of butter, and then you use 3/4 cup of jam, and you can do anything you want.
Does everybody do this and know this and I don't know?
It is such a great new spring thing.
Jam, butter, mix, mix, mix. You formed into cute little butter balls.
Okay, get yours. You're gonna try.
Yes, ma'am.
You're gonna do what you want. Okay, which one? Marion butter, raspberry?
What's Marion butter? What's Marion?
It's a Marion berry kind of a thing.
I've never heard of a Marion berry.
I know.
Okay. This is just a revolution, is what this is.
Seriously. It just has this little sweet thing.
Oh my gosh, that's delicious.
And there's just this little eggy taste to it.
It's light.
And I was just telling this, I was just talking to somebody about this just recently that, yes, we make, I know this is a cherry one. Cherries are my favorite.
I'm in.
We make German pancakes, but I don't like the doughy center in a German pancake.
Yeah,
I just want the edges. And that's what these are. Popovers is basically the yummy, crusty edge from a German pancake. And you get to just have this delightful little treat.
Can I keep eating while you show us? Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna make some. So we start with 3 eggs. We're just gonna stir it up. And we don't have time on TV to do everything that we want to, but I'm gonna run through it really quickly so you can just see.
Okay, eggs.
We're adding eggs, we add the milk. I'm gonna add just a touch of salt. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon or 2, whatever you want.
No one's looking or judging.
Of melted butter. You do that.
Is that why it's not as wet as a traditional German pancake, less butter?
Yes, I think
egg,
so.
I guess.
Yes. And then you just dump in your flour, and the really important thing about this, the key important thing is it's got to mix. You've got to time it. It's got to have at least 2 minutes beating in here.
Okay.
Because it really needs to fluff up and everything needs to be added together. And we obviously don't have that, but I happen to have some already made.
Ta-da!
Okay, we're gonna take your little quiche pan.
She gave me the option, like, do you want to do regular muffin? But I want to go mini because everything's cuter when it's smaller.
Exactly. Okay, so these have already been sprayed.
Okay.
But we're just gonna put a little drop of butter into each well.
Okay.
We won't have time to do the whole thing.
Yeah.
But we'll just do a few of them. And then you're gonna take go ahead and put that down.
You preloaded.
I know. So preload it, and you're gonna
doing?
fill it more than halfway.
Just like that?
Yes.
Really?
Just like that.
And it will puff from that?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you've made this so easy too with the squeeze bottle. Why didn't I think of that? Okay.
Okay, so these are the little mini ones that we have out here.
Look how cute.
Okay, and then it was just such a fun idea to take one of these. Our butter has decided to gel a little bit. It's been sitting here for a minute, but we're gonna dip it into some butter.
We are? More butter?
And then
Oh,
we're
yeah.
going to
Oh, yeah.
roll it into some cinnamon sugar.
It's an adhesive. It's necessary.
Yes. And then you're just going to take a cute little bite because you know you just want one so bad.
I do. The butter's calorie-free, right?
I know. Of course it is. But it's an easy thing to do. And the fun thing is you can have it sweet for breakfast, but you can also have it for dinner. You could set this aside. And I was just, you know, me, I just always going crazy. But it's like, what about a garlic and onion butter?
Right?
In the middle of it. What about a rosemary and thyme butter? I mean, you could just do so many things and make it savory as well as sweet.
What is that pan down front?
Okay, so that is the popover pan.
Oh.
That is what they really are.
Okay.
They're made of that. And if you'll notice, these are a lot taller.
Oh, yeah.
And if you crack that one open as well.
Okay, fine. Is there more butter coming? I'm here for it. Yeah.
Okay, so they're taller and they're a little bit crustier.
Yeah.
But that's the whole idea today, is to show you, you don't have to have a popover pan.
Right.
You can have, this is my
is so fun.
favorite. It's a big wide weld muffin tin. I make my lava cakes in these. But you could use a muffin tin. And we've got them right there in the front. And they work just as well. And we've got these little mini quiche pans. And it works just as well.
You just pulled an Oprah. And you get a popover, and you get a popover, and you get a popover. Popovers for everybody.
Exactly. That's exactly what
I'm making these.
I know, they're so easy.
And butter jam.
I know.
Butter
Really.
jam. And we still don't know who Marion is, but we like her butter.
I gotta figure that out. Now you asked me
I didn't
that.
mean to put you on the spot.
I'm like kind of going, I don't know the history behind that.
It doesn't. No, please. We don't care. It tastes great. We don't care. This was fantastic. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So fun and like great for a shower or a party food too.
Right?
Yes.
I just think the same thing.
Where can we get more from you, sister?
Please find me on dinasdiner.com. And I'm on Instagram under Dina's Diner. And you can find me on Facebook. And you can find me on Twitter. I'm just everywhere.
And you will love not just her, but every recipe that she shares. So be sure to give her a follow. Thank you. Happy spring.